Your social media feed is currently a battlefield of miracle cures and five-star reviews that seem a bit too perfect to be real. One name that keeps popping up is a botanical hair balm called Zova. It promises to stop shedding and regrow thick hair in just a few weeks. The videos are slick. The results look life-changing. But when you look past the high-definition marketing, the reality is much more concerning. This product is being pushed as a revolutionary solution for hair loss. It uses all the right buzzwords about botanical oils and strand strength. However, there is zero clinical evidence provided to show that this specific formula actually works. It is one thing to have ingredients that are good for your scalp. It is another thing entirely to claim you can reverse hair loss without any medical backing. If you visit their website, you will see massive numbers of customers and glowing testimonials. But if you try to find those people elsewhere on the internet, they simply do not exist. There are no reviews on independent trust sites. There is no historical data for this company. The domain itself was created very recently. These are massive warning signs for anyone looking to protect their wallet. It follows the classic pattern of a viral operation designed to capture quick sales before disappearing. You are likely looking at a basic cosmetic oil rather than a scientific breakthrough. While it might make your scalp feel moisturized, it will not fix the biological causes of thinning hair. This is about managing expectations in a world of filtered results. Real hair growth treatments require years of testing and peer-reviewed data. They do not just appear overnight on a random website with no paper trail. You have to be careful with your personal information and your money. Check the refund policies before you click buy. Look for a real physical address for the business. Most of these viral brands have none of those things. They count on the fact that people are looking for a quick fix for a sensitive issue. They use your hope to sell you a dream that is not backed by facts. Always verify the company history. Look for independent reviews from people who are not paid to promote the product. If a deal feels too good to be true, it almost certainly is. Your hair health is too important to leave to a mystery balm from an unknown source. Keep your eyes open for the red flags. Do not let a fancy video convince you to skip the research. Real results come from proven science, not from a brand new domain with no reputation. Be smart, stay skeptical, and always look for the evidence before you trust a viral trend. These companies rely on impulse buys. They want you to see the shiny ad and forget to check the facts. Do not give them that satisfaction. Do the digging yourself and you will see the cracks in the story. It is your money and your health on the line. Make sure you are spending both on something that is actually real. Your hair deserves a treatment that is honest, and your bank account deserves a brand you can actually trust. When the marketing is this loud, the science is usually very quiet. Stay informed and look for the truth behind the filters.